If your emails are stuck in the queued status in Gmail and not sending, then simply follow these steps to fix this issue. First of all, the main possible reason for queued emails must be slow or no internet connection. Ensure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. After you do so, you can simply try restarting your device because a simple reboot can easily resolve minor issues affecting email delivery on your phone. So, simply restart your device. After restarting, simply open the App Store on your iOS and Google Play Store on your Android. Then in the search address bar, search for the Gmail app and you'll get to see the list of options available there. From there, simply tap on the official Gmail app, and there if you see an update version available, simply tap on the update and update to the latest version. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.